tracking the exhaust leak, I'm putting a vacuum cleaner in reverse, forcing air into the system, and then I'm spraying soapy water on the headers there, and you can see that there's plenty of airflow coming out, a lot of leaking there. There's an oil leak at the valve cover, so that's probably disintegrated the gasket, and a leak at the collector and flange there at the base of the header. So both sides, a lot of exhaust leak, got fumes in the cabin and lots of noise on acceleration, and so we got a project ahead of us. Looking forward to it. Bye.